Seth. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I can't do this.
What's wrong?
I'm supposed to break up with you.
I was afraid of this. Code red. Code red. Get Tuka in there and get Mutai out.
Ooh, bless you. Ooh, bless you.
You need to know.
Hey, buddy.
Blame it on our brother Lewis. Lewis's fault.
What does he have to do with this?
That is a good question. Just say Lewis told you they were meeting. He's to blame for everything. Your brother told us about your secret meetings. He's supposed to